What if I tell you that you can make $150 in less than 30 minutes? Sounds impossible, right? But I will show you how to make that much money in this video. And since I will be giving you an absolutely free tool that will do all of the work for you, make sure you keep watching and stay with me till the end so you don't miss it. But before we start, welcome to Finance Hub, where we will teach you tips and tricks to make money online. Subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you will be notified anytime we post a new video. And if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. So, the first website I'll show you today is called latium.org, and you may have already heard of this website. Let me explain simply what this site is about for those of you who have never heard of it. This is a freelancing site that is similar to Fiverr, People Per Hour, Freelancer, and plenty of other options. Most importantly, for some of you, this website works anywhere in the world. So, the first thing you should do when you get here is click on I want to work right here. We're not going to hire anyone because obviously we are here to earn money. As a result, you won't be spending any money on this website. And right after that, enter your email address and confirm that you are not a robot. And then click on the sign up button right here. Once finished, they'll send you an email to the email address you provided. And you'll want to check that email account for a message from Latium. Once you found that email, just click on it to confirm that the email you provided is correct. Right after doing that, you will then enter all of your information such as your first name and last name, password, username, and so on. Once done, you can now log in into your new account. And this is how everything will look after it's finished. So in order to find work, simply hover your mouse over Browse right here and pick on Browse Projects. This will display a group of people who are giving money in exchange for a range of services. On the left-hand side, you can see the categories. We have here surveys, graphics and design, social and digital marketing, websites and software, usability testing, registrations, and translation. These are just a few of the services available. Now, we'll concentrate on just one category, which is none other than graphics and design, and you'll want to choose that. Now I'm sure that some of you are wondering how you may make money by designing if you don't have any skills whatsoever. So as I stated in the beginning, I will show you a site that will perform all of the work for you. So even if you have no design abilities and have never designed anything in your life, you will be able to get paid by using this technique. And here's the best part. Graphics and design pay well, so you can easily find jobs that pay hundreds of dollars on this website. So what we're looking for right here is logo design. Now if you guys come across an offer just like this one, you will want to place a bid on it. And just repeat this process for multiple offers. Guys, the fact that you have to compete for these offers is a drawback. So I have another platform that I will show you where you can get paid for developing various logos that is possibly even better than Latium. And this platform is known as designcrowd.com. This is a site that you may have heard of before, but it is not to be confused with Latium. This is not a platform for freelancers in any way. Various companies from all around the world come to you on this site to recruit various designers for different kinds of jobs. So aside from logo design, there's also site design, banner ad design, flyer design, and so on. So in any case, when you come on here, simply make an account by clicking on register right here, filling out your basic information, and then clicking on I'm a designer underneath to complete your registration. So, once you've completed the registration process, you'll obviously want to look for work. To do so, hover your mouse over jobs and just click on logo design. Just like with Latium, This will show you people who are willing to pay you hundreds of dollars for a logo design. So for example, this individual I found is asking $150. So as you can see, this has the potential to make you a lot of money. That's not even the greatest part. You'll notice up here that there are over 200 jobs and 200 possible customers. So just think about it. If 10 people pay you, you've already made like $1,000. And with this tool that I'll show you, you'll be able to make more money and do it in less time. Let me tell you about this website that will take care of everything for you. Just go to freelogodesign.org. And this is basically the website that will take care of everything for you. Freelogodesign.org, as the name implies, will literally design your logos for free and in a variety of categories. As you can see right here, there's abstract, agriculture, animals and pets, architecture, automotive and vehicles, business, children, cleaning, and far too many other areas to mention. The point is that, thanks to all of these categories, you can get a logo made for you no matter what your customer wants. So, if you find a job on Latium or on Design Crowd, you should ask your customer what their company name is if they haven't given you one. And when they do, simply type their name in the box below and choose the appropriate category and then click on Get Started. So as an example, let's pretend that I'm creating a logo for this person right here. As you can see, the logo is for a pharmaceutical company. As a result, I choose the medical category selection. And check out how many different designs there are to choose from. They all seem wonderful, and the best of all, we get them for free without having to create an account on this website. Now, whichever of them you choose relies on your customer's request and what they are seeking for specifically. But in any case, once you found a logo that you like, all you have to do is click on Choose right here, and you'll be taken to the designer page, which is undoubtedly one of the best parts of this website. So on this page, you can also edit the logo on the left-hand side by adding text, icons, shapes, and logos. Meanwhile, on the right-hand side, you can change the background color by clicking here, and just below that, you can alter the size of the objects and the logo. So anyway, when you're finished customizing your logo and are happy with it, click here to save it to your computer and send it to your customer. I suggest that you use both Latium and Design Crowd to find work, as this will allow you to reach a larger number of individuals. So simply find a customer on one of the two platforms, go to Free Logo Design to have it done for you, and then sell it to them to make hundreds of dollars without investing any money or having any design skills at all. And that's it for today's video. Before we go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and click on that notification bell to be notified on new uploads. That is it for me, and I'll see you in the next video.